You are going to love the 2022 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.